Here are two ways to really easily insert equations into your math tasks and investigations. The MYP requires you to do this. It looks a lot nicer and a lot neater, and I'll show you exactly how to do that, and you can choose which way you feel suits you best. So you can go to Insert and Equation in a Google Doc, and you can really choose any of these things. You know, if you need to do the square root of something, if you need to do insert equation, if you need to do a fraction, you'll have to click below. That's a little bit tricky. You got to get used to that. You can also do it like insert fraction, and then you've got to click below it. Okay, so that's how you do it with Google Insert Equations. And what I like about this is that it's really easy. You can just copy and paste it. So if you have something that's similar, or you've already done a line of work, you can copy and paste it and then go back and change and say, okay, well that was 7, and then do your next line of work. Also on this one you can do insert equation. You can also do division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, that sort of thing. So you can also just type those in. The second way to do this is by using a Google add-on called GMath. So what you'll do is you'll go up to the top to add-ons in your Google Docs, and you'll have to first get an add-on. And the add-on that you want to search for is called GMath. It looks like that. So first you'll search for that add-on, and it's a free add-on. I've already got it, so I'm not able to add it, but what it should say here is free, and you'll be able to click on it right there for GMath. So once you've got that and you've allowed it, what you can do is you can go to Add-on GMath, and I want to create a mathematical expression. So GMath is opening up, and I want to do something like 2x minus 5 divided by, and I'm just going to use the slash symbol. Divided by 6 equals 4x plus 1. And then once I've finished my equation, I'll just hit insert. If you have a similar equation that you want to do and you want to do the next line showing your calculations, you can copy this. I just did Command C to copy it and Command V to paste it. And then what I can do is if I double click on that, I can actually change it to something different. So let's do it instead. Let's do 13. And now this is the new one that I want to preview, and I can now insert this. Okay, it's glitching out a little bit. So if you see, it did change the original one to my new one. So that will save you a little bit of time. With both of them, it does take a little bit of practice and getting used to, but this is a lot nicer, a lot fancier, and it looks a lot better for MYP. Another thing that us teachers like to have you do is for your tasks, to make them look even better, is to keep the calculations centered in the middle of the page, and this will make your work look really nice. All right.